Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. So, welcome to the channel. Welcome. If it's your first time here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate notification because I go live pretty much randomly. I don't like to have schedule now these days. So most of the time it's Tuesday morning. It's gonna be like around like 7:30, but I don't have some fixed time anymore. Plus, I'm gonna do Forex Talk over beer on Thursday night, around 6 p.m. Eastern. No, this one is around, not around, but at 6 p.m. Eastern. Yeah, because after that, then gotta go for dinner and all that kind of stuff, right? So, anyways, um, so welcome again. Well, happy Monday morning. Like I said, let's see if we have some people joining us this morning. We got Mary. Hello. How you doing? We got Yuva. Bonjour Sacha. Bonjour. J'espère que ça va bien. Salut Sacha. Salut Résilient. Ça va bien? Oui. Bon matin. Bon matin à tous. All right. So now let's see what we can get this morning. Can we get something interesting? Let's see. Let's see. Where is my chart? Here we go. Look like we have some alerts that came in during the night. We're gonna go take a look at those. Yeah, let's start with those actually. Usually I do start with GJ for breakdown, but just because I don't want to lose track of those alerts that came out. I guess last night, yeah, around midnight 30, all of them. Wow. Okay. So I guess there were some news. Okay, so let's go check out NZDGPY first. And guys, as you come in, don't forget to smash the like button. Okay. How's the quality right now on YouTube? Because I got kind of a pop up here from YouTube saying it's saying that the connection is not good enough, which is kind of weird because I'm at home and connection's always good. Can anyone confirm that the sound and the image is clear? I'm just wondering here. Um, it's good. Hello. How are you, buddy? How are you? Good morning. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in, guys. Okay, very important. We need to spread the word that we are back on live after like a huge break. All clear on my end. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's start with, like I said, NZDGPY. Okay, so let's move this. Okay, so let's start with the weekly here. So if you look at the weekly here by the way, NZDGPY, I'm going to be looking at swing trade ideas. And we're going to look after for GJ for scalp in gold. Okay, so now if you look at NZDGPY, if you look at the weekly time frame, the weekly time frame is bullish. Okay, we went up here. Let me grab another arrow here. Where's my toolbar? Come here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so we had a push up, and now we got the pullback, retesting this area, which was a nice area on the weekly. We did pull back inside that golden zone. Did I wrote weekly golden zone here? That should be a daily golden zone. Wait a second. That's a mistake here. That is clearly a mistake. Wait a second. What? Oh, that must have been done after this bearish candle. Okay, so this is not good anymore. Okay. Sorry, guys. Look like I didn't update my chart. Okay, so here. So weekly is bullish. Daily is sorry. Now bearish. Okay. So we did broke under that low. And I was looking at an alert here. What was it? NZD? Exactly. Okay, so that's why. Here, if you look at the alert, NZDGPY daily going bullish. Why? The reason why it's because my God, sorry guys. The reason why is because I had an alert here, and I'm actually gonna put again this same alert because it got triggered, but we didn't close above. So I want to be notified if we're going back to the same area. So that will say daily going. My goodness. Okay, so now we have another alert that if we're coming above here, we're gonna be notified. Okay, so we can actually remove this one. So by this, we're gonna have the weekly, the daily bullish if we do close above here, and after that, we're gonna be waiting for the 4 hour to go bullish again. Okay. Okay, let me grab an allergy pill here. Woo! Sorry about that, guys. Let me mute myself for 1 second. Woohoo! Allergy season. Ah, wow, that was rough. Sorry about that, guys. Uh, okay, here everything is all right, Sasha. Okay, Chumbacha, how you doing, buddy? Good morning. Yes, all good. À tes souhaits, merci, merci. Ouais, c'est les allergies sont difficiles là, ce matin. Bless that kind soul. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for that kind message. Hey, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. N'oubliez pas d'aller peser sur le bouton j'aime. Très important. All right. So if you look now, our next alert was AUD CAD. AUD CAD, let's go check it out. So AUD CAD at weekly / daily area of interest. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So if you look at the weekly, AUD CAD weekly is bearish, right? So we are bearish here, and we came up right here at this nice weekly area of interest to retest this area. So this is beautiful. Okay, this is beautiful. So now let's take a look at the daily. The daily, if you expand this here is, wait a second. So that was probably done from here to here. Exactly. So this was before we had this push down now. So this zone now is now invalid. Perfect. Okay. So the daily now went bullish. Okay. So if you look here, so we got the daily going bullish by breaking here. So now we need the daily to go back bearish. So we're going to need something probably like something like this, and when I'm going to be breaking here, this is where I'm going to be looking to take it down. Okay, so for now, this one AUD CAD will still be in orange because we're not close to be ready. Where's my NZD GPY? NZD GPY right here. It's in blue, but now we'll be moving back to orange because I mean we're not ready. Okay. Okay, so that's good to know. We are at the weekly area of interest, but now the thing is, I cannot even place an alert where we're going bearish on the day because it's going to be way too low. We'll be like right here, which doesn't make sense. Okay, so we're just going to have to be patient, but this one is looking nice. Okay, 80 CAD entering daily golden zone. Oh yeah, that was placed on based on my old. Okay, perfect. Okay. I think I had more by email. Okay, let me check my other alerts. Just want to make sure. NZDGPY, UDCAT, UDCAT. Okay, perfect. Let's delete that now. Excellent. Okay, so we did our alert. So now let's move on to our regular schedule of charts. So we're going to go look at GJ, and right after that, we're going to take a look at the other pair, which is Ismail Hassan. Hopefully I didn't screw up your name. Good morning. Gold chart, please. Yes, we're going to take a look at it for sure. Just stay with us, and we're going to go look at it. Who's that? Bon live, Sacha, on se reparle en parlant. Isaac. Ah, c'est Isaac! God damn! Ok, ben bon matin, man. Bon matin. All right, so now let's go take a look at GJ. Okay, so if you take a look at GJ here, GJ weekly is bearish by, I mean, it's still bullish because this candle didn't close. Oops, this candle didn't close under here. Okay, so this candle didn't close under here, so we're still bullish at the moment. But the minute that this daily close under here, we're going back bearish. Okay, but it's okay because the main goal will be to go retest this area before pushing back up. Okay, so if you look at the weekly is still bullish, and I'm looking at this area for retest. For this is for swing trade ideas, by the way, guys. We're gonna go take a look at scalp right after that. Okay, so daily as right now is still bullish, like I said, but the minute that this daily close under here, we're going bearish. Okay, the 4 hour is bearish at the moment. So right now, for me, like for swing on GJ, not interested. Okay, now let's take a look at scalp. If you look at the daily here, dun, 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 dun. Sorry about that. Okay, so now if you look at the daily here, daily, what am I saying? The 4 hour. Okay, so if you look at the 4 hour, we have the 4 hour bearish. Okay, and now we're about to have our pullback here. Okay, perfect. So that's something I'm going to be looking at for scalp. So if you use our friend Fib here, we're about to get into this golden zone area, which is also going to be a retest of previous support that was broken right here. I'm going to put it blue just for you guys. It's going to be more simple. There we go. Perfect. So this is going to be our H4 golden zone. Let's identify that. Excellent. Now let's remove the fib because, I mean, I like clean charts. Okay. So now I'm going to place an alert right around here. That's going to be saying GJ entering GZ. There we go. Perfect. So you'll see the same kind of strategy I use for the swing trade. I kind of adapted for scalp also. So what I'm going to do is, knowing that the 4 hour is bearish, I need the 2 hour to be bearish, the 1 hour to be bearish, which is great. And the 30-minute, you see the 30-minute just went bullish now? Perfect. Okay. We want that. We want the 15 and the 30-minute to go bullish. Why? Because we need that to pull up into this zone. And after that, as soon as the 15 or 30-minute go bearish, this is where we're going to take the trade. Okay. So we're going to keep an eye on this. We're not close to be ready. Hopefully this happened this session, but we shall see. All right, so now let's go take a look at my drawdown. Yes, I have a trade in drawdown now. Yeah, so this trade is in drawdown as we speak, and doesn't look good. And I realized what I did for mistakes. So you definitely want to take notes from that, because you don't want to repeat the same mistake. Pretty important mistake. And first of all, you need to understand, like, in the mindset I was, I didn't took a trade since, god damn, I took only scalps last week, I think. And swing, I've been waiting for setups for a little while, and I think I was a little bit impatient last night. So this mistake number one, just don't be impatient and just wait for the freaking setup. Yeah, but you know, sometimes I'm being patient, sometimes I'm less patient. It is what it is, right? Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I'm about to give you some mistake I did. Let's see. What are we looking at, bro? Ellie, any trades idea? Yes, it's coming up. Gold's going to 1972. Oh, we're gonna take a look at that. Paul, how you doing, Paul? Good morning. Okay, so first thing first, let's take a look at the weekly. So this, if you're not in this trade yet, that's okay. I think a better opportunity is about to show up. So this is a very good trade idea. So if you look here, we got the pullback inside the golden zone, and this orange line is my safety net. Actually, well, wait a second. This orange line should be like right under here. There we go. Perfect. So we respected the safety net so far, and we are inside that weekly golden zone. Okay. I mean, not inside, but we kind of passed it. We got the daily here. The daily, oh, by the way, the weekly is bullish. Okay, so the weekly is bullish. It's great, perfect, awesome. Daily now, the daily now is, did we close under here? So we're still bullish at the moment. Okay. Here where it get confusing a little bit sometimes with those small elbow, you know. So here we flip bullish, okay? Once, okay, how can I say that? I'm trying to translate, sorry guys. So when you see this and you don't like it because it's not super clear elbow, just stay out of it, okay? Just stay out of it. If it's the case, let's say you don't count this as an elbow, you need the daily to go up here, you know, to become bullish. You don't lose a move. You're still at the bottom inside that golden zone, which is great, right? I think I was a little bit impatient, and this was not super clean, but it is what it is, right? So now let's see the 4-hour. This is where my mistake was done. I mean, the daily, it's kind of whatever, but the 4-hour is where I fucked up. Okay, so you definitely want to look at this. Okay. Okay, here. By the way, I risk always 1% of those. Well, not always, but most of the time, between 1 and 3%. This one was 1. So we'll see. Anyways, okay, so now let's take a look at the 4-hour. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, what happened? So if you look here, we got a 4-hour going bullish, right? The problem is I was looking here to take a trade, and I wrote wait for lower time frame to go bullish. I don't know why, like a dumbass, I didn't look back and realize that later on we did broke here the low. So meaning that we were bearish, right? Okay, perfect. Once we pull up here, we flip bullish, okay, which is fine because I took the entry somewhere around here. But the big mistake, testing 1 2 1 2 1 2, test check. Okay, just want to make sure you guys listening. Okay, so the big mistake here is I didn't wait for the H4 higher low potential. Okay, and that's a big mistake, you know, because if I would have waited for the I don't know, I got scared that this thing would be like boom, you know, and I don't know why I got some FOMO kicking in because it was like a while I didn't took any trade. I don't know why, but let me remove this thing here. So if I would have waited for this higher low potential, I would have placed my fib somewhere around here, you know, boom, boom. Okay, perfect. We got the safety net here. We got the golden zone there. And I would have waited for something in this area, which also going to be retesting this previous resistance that was broken, which would have been perfect. Instead, I took the trade up here on a high of an H4. Like, honestly, I feel like I deserve that loss. That's why I'm not cutting this loss. You know, I want to be penalized for that. I would just say this is stupid, you know, this is stupid, capital S, you know, just like so yeah, was not proud of myself. When I realized that, I was like, God damn, Sasha, you know. So, anyways, it's part of the game. Sometimes you need a slap. So that's why I'm actually leaving this trade run. And yeah, I'm gonna eat it all, you know. I'm just clear. What's wrong with this camera here? Here clearly. Oh, where's this camera? Whatever. Look like. Oh, here. Perfect. Okay. So minus 32 pips. Okay. So yeah, we not only show winners here. Okay. There we go. Sorry, I was fighting with my camera. So yeah. So anyways, it is what it is. So hopefully you guys understand this. If you look at the 30-minute here, actually the place where I'm going to be cutting this loss is if we do break, I mean, if we do break and close under this, I'm just like, I'm out, just, which is very close to my stop loss anyways. But I was actually waiting for this. I was waiting to see, because so far we were respecting the safety net here, and I saw a nice wick rejection. So I was like, all right, maybe we have some potential to go back up. And but right now it just doesn't look good at all. Like, you're that's crazy. Especially if we broke the low here, boo. We're going nowhere. Nowhere. All right, so let's move on to GU. Because yeah, last night, okay, so last night it was a battle with my mind. Okay. I don't know if you guys listen to Jim Ron. Jim Ron is the best. But there's a there's a clip of him. It's like battle with the mind, and literally last night it was a battle with my mind, because I was battling between Euro USD, GU, and USD GPY. Those three were like coming all hot, like very nice potential. But right now, last night, I don't know what happened, but kind of destroyed all those hopes. But still, the trade idea is still valid. So let's take a look at it. So if you look here, the weekly is bullish. We got our pullback. We got our pullback inside our golden zone, ready to push up. So weekly is bullish. Cool. Daily is bullish. Let me remove this because this is not true anymore. The daily is bullish. Awesome. We're gonna pull back here, retesting weekly area of interest. Right. Daily bullish, like I said. 4 hour. Okay, so now 4 hour is 4 is bearish right now. Okay, all depends if you count this as an elbow or not. Actually, this is really flat, so it's not really elbow here. Let's take a look at this. Ugh, yeah, it's nothing, nothing. Yeah, I hate those things. When it's not super clear, it's just like whatever. But if you look here at H4, let's say, okay, let's take two scenario in consideration here. So let's say that we don't count those small elbow. Okay, so that means that the H4 is bearish, right? The reason why, because this was higher than this and this was the low. We broke the low, became bearish. So technically, before going bullish, had to be up here, which, like, it's far. I personally did count those elbows during my game plan, so I'm gonna keep respecting this. So meaning that we had this elbow here and flipping bullish here. Okay, so this is where I was actually looking for trades. But if you look now, I mean, we are coming back down, which is good because this can be the H4 high low potential to go back up. Okay, so this is the tricky place. We'll see how it goes. If you look at USD GPY were more clean, which was actually, I think I'm going to put this above here. If you look at the weekly here, the weekly is bullish. We came down, retest weekly area of interest, perfect. Daily was beautiful, respecting daily area of interest, also weekly, nice daily engulfing candle. This is beautiful. This is the cleanest so far. H4, if you look at H4, super clean also. If you look at H4 right here we go. So here, bam. All right, so here we flip bullish, and now we got the H4 high low potential. So this is the cleanest of all. Actually, it's nicer than Euro USD. So I'm gonna put that one on top. And right now we are right at this higher low potential. We passed a little bit the golden zone, but we did respect the safety net right here. Put this orange. And we're gonna go take a look at the questions right after this one. Oh, I'm about to get stopped. 37 pips. Oh boy. That hurt. It doesn't hurt. It just pissed me off. Okay, so now now we establish that H4 is bullish also. We got the high low potential. Great. So now we got the 2-hour bearish that's about to close above here, flipping bullish, which is great. What about the 1 hour? 1 hour is about to go bullish also. Ooh, closing in 2 minutes. And 30 minute 30 minute went bullish. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So now it would be great to have a little a little pullback. I just got stopped out on that swing trade, by the way, guys. Okay, so we're about to have this H1 going bullish. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on this because this look super duper clean. Okay, so Euro USD now, boom, gone. Okay, FU. No, I did the mistake. Like I explained you, I did the mistake. So let's wait. We got like 40 seconds. Just want to see if this is going to be closing bullish. Is the 2 hours going to be closing bullish? Looks like it. We got 30 seconds. Let's go check comments or question. In the meantime, let's see. Can we buy Euro USD now? No. Why? Whoa. Why would you want to buy Euro USD now? Before NY open? No, not at all. No. No. If you look at Euro USD right now, like I just said, why you want to buy this? Now, especially if this candle close under here, now 2 hour and H4 I think going bearish. Yeah, exactly. So if this candle close under here, H4 is definitely bearish. So good morning, Hugo. How's your trading going? Pretty good, man. Well, I lost this morning, but except that, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. When you giving a car, mate? Yeah, only Alex does that, man. Alex crazy. Alex very crazy. Uh, Snipe entry, yeah, no, thank you. Snipe entry is where you're gonna, destroy your account. Yeah, cute, very cute to post on social, but not efficient. You know, so just my thinking. But yeah, sniping. There's no such snipe entry. Please gold analysis. Yes, we'll go take a look at it right now. Just want to check if okay. So now this candle just closed. Let's go check USD GPY for 1 sec, and we're gonna go jump on gold. So let's see here. We got the 2 hour. Oh no, I'm stupid. The 2 hour closed at 9. God damn. 1 hour did close above though, so this is perfect. This is perfect. Perfect. Okay, so this looked good. So I would just like to see a pullback here with a nice engulfing candle, and we can take that trade. We can take that trade. Yep, that looks beautiful. Okay, so hopefully you guys took some notes here. So let's go take a look at gold. All right, so gold first. Let's go take a look at the weekly. Man, this is funky, man. Gold, I told everyone, I think it was 2 weeks ago. People were trying to buy gold here. Like, what the fuck, guys? Like, look at this. This is the monthly chart, okay? I know I'm repeating myself for people that was there, but look, okay, let's place a line here at 2000, okay? Have you seen any monthly candle closing above 2000? The answer is no, okay? Especially you saw a smaller body candle the previous month, rejecting, like every time we reject that area. So why you want to buy here? Just like doesn't make sense. Like maybe quick scalp there and there, like a couple pips, but you cannot have like a swing here. It just doesn't make sense at all. Okay, at all. So now if you look at the weekly, No, exactly. Yeah, no monthly candle did close. Even weekly, like you had the weekly candle closing above, but look at those small doji and big ass wick rejection. Do you think it's safe? No. All right. So, I mean, no. I'm not saying we're not ever going to go above 2000. That's not what I'm saying. But you need a confirmation. So, right now, there's no confirmation. Okay. So, now what we do. So, if you look at the weekly is now bearish. All right. So, now the weekly is bearish. So, if you're looking for swing, all right. So, let's establish that. Oops. Damn it. What did I do? All right. So, if you're looking for swing, we're coming back above here to retest previous structure that was broken. If you look at the daily is bearish. No, we are bull. Hold on, wait a second. Whew, no, we're still bearish. Okay. Still bearish. Okay. So yeah, for me, this nice engulfing candle right here. Let's see. Hold on. I hate those small elbows. Yeah, no, we did close right under or at it. Yeah, right under. It's okay. So we're good. So date is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. We got the pullback right here. We are right inside that golden zone. Okay, excellent. So now let's see 30 minute. 30 minute is bullish. So for me, taking a trade here will be the 30 minute to go bearish, which is down here. Okay. So once the 30 minute go bearish, yeah, I'm in. Especially that, look at this. What a coincidence. Right under here, boom, big ass clean traffic, right? So yeah, something under here. Yeah, that would make sense. That would make sense. But buys right now, yes, I feel you. You guys have like the move up here. Like if you're looking for quick scalp, maybe a little bit more to the upside. Let's take a look at a 4 hour here. 4 hours bullish. We were bearish, what I said. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't buy. That's just me. I know there's people who's gonna be buying here, but like something above here can make sense also, for a quick buy. But honestly, I like this better. So this is just my 2 cents. I don't trade actively gold these days, but this is what I see. This is what I've been looking for if I was trading actively gold. So let's see. Cool. Okay, cool. Let's go back to did we do AUDGPY? AUDGPY. There we go. Perfect. So we got the weekly here bullish. So weekly is bullish on AUDGPY. Daily is bullish. Awesome. We came down, retest previous structure. 4 hour is bullish. You see, I marked something here because I needed to wait for the H4 high low potential, which never really happened. And this was after this high was created. And now we got this high created. So I'm gonna need again a high low potential. So stand by on this one. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess something around here, which we just did. Okay, hold on. Let's go take a look at the smaller time frame. We got a 1 hour bullish. $30-minute, no entry signal. 30-minute, boom, 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 boom. All right. So 30-minute just flipped bullish now. Can we have a little pullback here around this area and have a nice engulfing candle? That'll be nice. Yeah, okay. So maybe stand by on this one. Okay. What about, did we discuss GU, right? Did we do GU? I think we just did. Yeah, we spoke about GU. Yeah, that's the one I was waiting. That's the one I was waiting. Okay, perfect. GN. Okay, let's talk about GN. What's up with GN? All right, so weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. Let's remove this. Daily is bullish. Okay, cool. So let's see here. So that would be in coincidence, not coincidence, but confluence. That was hard. In confluence with previous area, daily area that was broken structure, and which is also golden zone. So that can be good. Let me place this. Let's do daily golden zone. And again, I don't trade based out of the daily, the golden zone. Sorry, guys. It's just a tool to figure out like where can be the pullback around ish, the area. So I like to use it as a headed confluence. Um, so let's place some alerts here, saying GN entering daily GZ. There we go. Perfect. So Ismail, thank you. You're welcome, buddy, for the gold analysis. I'm gonna go take a look at it again, in 20-ish minutes to see NY open. Let's take a look. Okay, so now let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is bearish at the moment. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. All right, so we're bearish. So we need the 4 hour to go back bullish to do anything here because we got a weekly and the daily bullish. I need the 4 hour to go in sync with those two, meaning to go back bullish. You see, this alert was saying H4 going bullish, but now this I've switched it to here. Okay, so all right, so Euro NZD weekly is bullish. No, wait a second. Wait. Boom, straight. Okay, we're bullish. Okay, so weekly is bullish. Did we respect the safety net here? Just want to make sure. Oh, right on it. Bang. I'm not making this up. Crazy. Okay, so let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish. Oh, this is awesome. We're coming down to retest here previous structure. Also, this is looking good. Daily is bullish. 4 hour is bearish, so we need the 4 hour to go. What is this? Retesting daily structure. Okay, we're about to do that. And after that, we're gonna need the 4 hour to go bullish, which is gonna be like right here. So I'm gonna place the alert. H4 going bullish. You see, this is how I do spend less time on the chart. I do those breakdowns. I make those alert and I leave. Place my trade, set and forget. Thanks to Alex. Never gonna deny anything here. Here, NZDGPY weekly. You see those ones in orange are not close to be ready, so I don't feel like we should spend a lot of time in those. I just want to double check very quickly if anything changed. NZD USD, we're coming up here for that retest, which is perfect. Daily still bearish. Okay, I mean bullish. We broke that structure. We're coming up for the retest. Okay, so AUD CAD. AUD CAD is the one that I was saying it's beautiful. The weekly came to retest. Daily also. Now we need the 4 hour to go bearish. Actually, this should be blue now because we have 2 time frame in sync, and we're missing the 4 hour to go bearish. So I'm gonna place here the alert. H4 going bearish. Here we go. Euro USD, FU. No, I did the mistake, like I said earlier. AD, CHF. What's going on here? Where's all my marking? What? Okay, let's do it from scratch. All right, so we got a weekly here. Weekly broke structure here. Here we go. Okay, so here was bearish. Okay, so this is the new high. Okay, boom, boom. If this weekly close here, we're gonna be bullish. The daily is bullish. Yeah, that's why there's nothing. Okay, so I don't like this. GA. What about GA? GA. What's going on here? So weekly is still bullish, because anything between those 2 points, this point and this point, is going to be just market structure, right? So we are bullish. Daily is now bearish. Yeah, so that's why nothing. Euro GBP, just doing a quick rundown, guys, to see if there's any other opportunity. Daily, weekly, bearish, but we need the retest here. So that's why nothing for now. CAD GPY, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour. What is the 4 hour doing? 4 hours bullish. Okay, hold on, wait a second. Okay, so let's start from scratch here. So we got a weekly. Oh, okay, yeah, please alert here. Retesting previous structure. Yeah, right here. So I need that retest. Okay, so that's why we got nothing yet. Euro GPY, weekly bullish, daily bearish. Okay, nothing. USD CAD, weekly, bullish, bearish. So bearish. So we're bearish. Okay. And the daily is bearish. 4 is bearish. Okay, now let's see if there's any area. Yeah, I don't like this. Like, look at this mess. Just, we're not trending. We're just playing around the same area. So I don't like it. GPBCHF. You see, there's so many pairs. So why you guys are freaking out? And myself too. Yesterday I kind of, not forced, but kind of close to force the trade. And there are so many opportunities. So just chill. Like, even these days I still do some stupid mistakes. So, but it's part of the game, right? So okay, let's go back to gold for 1 sec here. And we're gonna go take a look at GJ right now in just a minute or so. All right, 30-minute is pushing to the upside here. Look like we got the break retest of this area. This little resistance that was broken. Okay. We're looking, above this area earlier. So again, it's still, whoops, can still be nice, but I personally like this better. Let's go back to GJ. What's up, GJ? GJ. Looking good. We got the pullback. All right, pullback in progress. The other thing I'm going to be looking for GJ is this H4 dovetail setup. So this candle is going to be closing in 40 or 33 minutes, should I say? Yeah, 30. Wait a second. 43 minutes. Yeah, 43 minutes. Damn, it's hard this morning. So anyways, so this is going to be closing soon. So I'm going to be looking at basically when we're going to be creating the bottom wick, break the high, go. And that's going to be my target, because I know from there we might reject. you know. Or the opposite way, I'm going to wait for the top wick, and once we're breaking the low, I'm going to take it down. Honestly, I like to take the setup as in the same direction as the trend. But um, it's been working. Even counter trend trade has been working pretty well on that kind of setup. So I'm gonna execute whatever. The only place where I'm not gonna be executing, actually, in this case, it might be a little tight here because my stop's gonna be like a fixed 15 pip stop loss, maximum 20 pip stop loss, and here we only have 9 pips after the break of the wick. So here to the upside doesn't make sense. So I'm not gonna touching that. Yeah, I'm not gonna touching to the upside because I don't have enough room, you know. But if it does happen on the downside, I'll take it. Which I don't think, but we'll see. Um, you don't need to trade what you think, you need to trade what you see. Um, okay. Let's see. Do we have any question? Sorry guys, I didn't look at the comment for a little while. What's going on my screen here? There we go. Okay, so no question. We're good. We're good. Oh, there we go. We got something coming up. Just okay. Extended Forex just on GJ cells. What do you mean? I'm not sure. You talk about the setup I just talked about? What do you mean just on GJ cells? But this setup, I don't know if what you mean, but this setup I only use it with GJ. I'm not saying it's not going to be working with other pairs, but I'm only using it with GJ because I've been testing it a lot. So we've been using that setup for the past. I would say like I'm so bad with time, but I think like at least 2 years. Yeah, I would say at least 2 years. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Minimum. Um, no, already around 4 hour on a sell on GJ. Okay, so you are in a sell. No, already around 4 hours on a sell on GJ. So I guess you are in a sell on GJ about 4 hours ago. Hopefully that's what it is. And that's probably based out of this candle here. Which, I mean, if you look at it, the thing is, oh, there we go. Let's see. There's another comment coming. No, oh, I think I got that. Oh, here we go. If the 4 hour close in 40-minute run. Oh, okay. Now I get you, bud. Okay. So yes, if it does close bearish, about for run would be good for sell. Let's go take a look at it. I mean, it all depends what's your plan, okay? But if you look at the daily as we speak is still bullish. And the reason why, it's because this candle is not closed yet, okay? Once this candle closed today under here, it would make more sense, because now the daily is bearish, right? I understand that we broke the low here, we got a bearish engulfing, but if you've been looking at charts for a couple months, couple years, you know that this daily can flip. Just like anything can happen. This can flip back bullish. One news, one anything, one it's just like boom. If it can flip back bullish, okay. But once this is closed under here, I mean, yes, now the daily is bearish, so that's going to give you more confluence and confirmation for price to continue down. At this stage, yeah, no news for today, but doesn't mean like nothing can happen around the world, right? So one tweet from one president, and there goes your chart, So that's, I mean, that happened to me a lot back then. So especially with Trump was insane, dude. One tweet from Trump, and let me tell you, the market was all over the fucking place. So yeah, it's a little more quiet now these days, but still, you never know. You never know. That's why I don't like to gamble. I don't like, oh yeah, this is gonna be looking bearish. It's probably gonna close bearish, so I'm gonna take it. I mean, it's up to you. Personally, now these days, I just like to have more confirmation and a solid trade. I'm taking less trade, but solid one. Well, you will say that the one I took yesterday night was not solid, but it was before I did a stupid mistake. You know, not waiting for my H4 high low potential. But yeah, so it is. Again, I didn't respect my plan. So if your plan say this and this and this and that, just follow your plan, right? And execute. If you're used to taking short while the daily is still bullish and it's been working for you, keep doing it. Just like, I'm not here to say there's only one way to trade. I'm here to say that if you don't respect your plan, you're going nowhere. So you just make sure you got a plan. You need a plan, and say, all right, this is the setup I'm taking. This is how I execute. And if this thing show up, I'm taking it. That's it. That's it. No question asked. So now for me, even if the H4 closed bearish, I mean this one, if this one closed bearish right now, yeah, it's looking good, but now it looks like we're closing bullish, respecting previous support. And this area is pretty strong. Okay, I'm going to show you something. All right, so have you seen like how we respected this area? And I placed the zone small, but this area of pricing, look at how well respected. Like how many wicks, tapped into this area here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Just like we tapped this area very hard, and so far, even to the upside, we're rejected to the downside, and vice versa. Once we tapped here, boom, rejected to the upside. So are we going to do the same thing here? We tapped here. Look at this. We tapped here, and look at this rejection. So now we're tapping here. We got another wick rejection. Look like it might close bullish. We don't know yet because it's going to be closing in 34 minutes. So are we going to go back to the upside from there? So that's why from here, I don't like it. I don't have enough confirmation for me to take a swing here. Maybe a quick scalp, quick scalp to the downside, maybe, based off this 30-minute bearish engulfing. But again, the 30-minute flip bullish here. So, you gotta respect the way you trade. Me, now the stash of today will not be taking this to the downside here. In the past, I would have taken it. In the past, I would have taken it probably. I was a little bit more cowboy. But yeah. Bro, I just bought Euro USD. Man, oh man. Let's go take a look at it just for fun. Woo! Okay. 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 I'm just hoping for this candle to close, above here for you. Because right now the 1 hour did close under, so I don't want to scare you, but like I'm just wondering what's your confirmation? Because the goal of this stream is to help people. Okay, so maybe your tip's going to be helping someone else. So you should share your chart and show exactly like what was your confirmation, why did you took that trade, because it can help people, and the goal of this community is to help each other out. Okay, so if you have your chart marked down and with your confirmation, because right now I don't see any bullish confirmation, but maybe I'm not looking at the right thing that you're looking at. Um, so I mean, like even on the 5 minute, 5 minute is bearish. So even if you trade the lower time frame, the 5 minute is bearish. So I'm just wondering, and I'm not saying it's not going to work. That's what I'm saying. Just would love to understand your point of view. Let's see here. Look at DXY. Oh no, I don't look at jeans. It's a brand of jeans here, DXY. So that's why I'm joking. Reject at 105, 500. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's more confirmation. Yeah. The problem with indicators like DXY. It's just like it's gonna tell you something that already happened. You know, it's not accurate because it already happened. You know, so that's why I don't use indicator like that. This is just my 2 cents. Me. Yeah, I'm looking at chat just because there's a delay with YouTube. Um, so, anyways, have you seen Alex Senti's indicator? No, I don't touch any indicator. I heard that Alex Senti is running a lot of scams. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know the guy, so I just heard his name a couple times from different people that was not looking too good for him. But again, I don't want to spread anything. I don't know, but that's not the point. I don't use any indicator. I don't like indicator. So yes, it's live, but it's already by the time you got the indication, it's already happened. You know, I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. Anyways, it's like it's like I don't want to compare it to something else. Whatever, it's gonna come up and I'm gonna tell you. But yeah, everyone is promoting like 100% win rate. Oh geez. Like every time someone promotes something at 100% win rate, just run the other way because that's impossible. Just like if there were such a thing, you know, you don't think that every the bank will buy their indicator. Just like come on guys, just this doesn't make sense. I'm not saying he's not winning with it, but 100% win rate. Oh come on. Yeah, I did not find value in this course. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how he trades. I have no clue. Um, what I mean is, if you look at price action, guys, if you learn price action, you don't need any indicator. You know, you don't need any indicator. Just learn like price action, trend, and follow it. Follow it. That's it. Because right now, I mean, like the 5 minute is bearish. Okay, so 5 minute is bearish, 15 minute is bearish, 30 minute is bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 2 hour is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, and monthly is still bullish. So that's the only time frame that is bullish is the monthly. So oh sorry, the weekly is bullish. Sorry. So yeah, so I mean, just that's why I just don't like to base myself out of indicators. And if it works, I mean, if it's been working for you, that's great. I'm not saying it's not good. It's just like for me personally, I just don't like it. I just prefer to look at trends and market structure and understand price action. Because once you understand price action, I'm telling you guys, you don't need indicators. You don't need. You're able to see it. You know, um, able to see like you're able to understand all those wicks. When you study price action, you will understand what is this. And people sometimes say, oh, it's an order block. I'm like, order what? Yes, of course I'm making joke about that, but the only block I have is Lego block. Just like I just look at price action. You don't need anything else basically. So yeah, and that's yeah. Thanks that it's coming from Rajan for price action, Trend, Alex, Fib, Daniel. So you see, I grab a little bit there and there from different people, Q, Ryan, and did my own thing, So I think there's no one specific way to be trading that's gonna be working more than the others. They're just like, um, your way, what you are comfortable with, you know. So that's what it is at the end of the day. Whatever trade the way that you are comfy. Everyone, okay, answer that. With positive RR, do you what? Hold on. Do you think people can have 90% win rate with positive RR? I mean, anything is possible. I'm not here to say it's not possible. I'm sure there's one guy somewhere or one girl somewhere that did it. Um, Actually, at one point, my scalp win ratio was, I didn't count it. This was one of the students who actually did count it back then. I think it was like 80, 88 or something like that, 87. Um, and it was mostly 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.5, you know. Um, so I don't think it's impossible. I think it's possible, but it's not common, you know. Um, should I sell Euro USD? Guys, I mean, you like I said, you need to have your plan, okay? Um, like now. Why now? You need to, when you ask those questions, send me what you're looking at. If you want to be better at it, just send me what you're looking at. What makes you tempted to sell your USD? And let's discuss that. Let's understand why, and why it can be a good idea or maybe not so good idea. So that's the best way to learn. So if you want to sell Euro USD because you're seeing this big fat candle bearish and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss the move. That's a bad idea. You know, I did that often in the beginning, and let me tell you, it's just like it's gonna eat you alive. Like the market's gonna eat you alive. Okay, so be very careful. If you're selling, because let's say I don't know, let's say that um, this is your low point and you have a break retest, let's say not even on 5 minutes, 15 minute, not really, like kind of a small break retest, but I don't like it, so I don't know, you know right now right now the move is happening, so it's still bleeding, right? So it's still bleeding. And right now this orange line is my safety net on the fib, so this is the last area where I might be buying from, you know. But the daily, again, the daily, as we speak, the daily is still bullish until this candle close under here. Okay, so very important to note. Let's go check back GJ here. All right, so GG's pulling up to this golden zone. That's good. Um, the thing with trading is that one person can enter long at the same time as someone else enters shorts and both profit. Totally, yeah, totally. You have some people that do edge, just like they're buying and selling at the same time. But yeah, I mean, you need to know what you're doing when you edge. Just don't do anything stupid. I think I was smart one day, and I woke up, and that was in my beginning of trading, like probably like 5, 6 years ago. And I woke up and it's like, let me take a swing, buy, But let me take some shorts pulling back. Holy shit, this was a stupid idea. I thought it was super smart. Yeah, it was totally dumb. Last couple thousand and very quickly, last couple thousand, you know. So yeah, no, that that didn't play out well. Not at all. Let's see here. Norwegian Cruise Line, 35% off. Thank you. Man, I need to book another cruise. Cruising is so fun. Our friend Stefanos is on the cruise right now. Um, man, I need to unpack this new magic key. I completely forgot again. Yeah, by the way, guys, I'm gonna give away this magic key. Okay, so make sure to comment, write anything, an emoji, whatever. If you did write a comment since the beginning, you're good. You'll be entering the raffle. But if you didn't write anything, write something. Because anyone that interact in the stream since the interview with Stefanos, I'm gonna take those names and give away this one. So yeah, Magic Key just sent me a new one, so I need to unpack it. I didn't even unpack. I'm so busy. Um, but it is what it is. Okay, okay. What's going on here? 8:39. How's USD GPY doing? USD GPY is looking so good right now. Oh, jeez. Please don't leave without me. Please don't leave without me. Yo, this is a fat 4 hour bullish engulfing candle. Yo, am I mad right now? Like, I needed to wait for, yeah, okay. Jeez, that sucks. Please don't leave without me. Please. Well, even if I want to be in, oh yeah, I could be in on that bullish candle because it did close bullish. But the best way is to wait for the pullback. So I'll wait for this and bam, rocket to the upside. But let's see here on the 30 minute, 15 minute. 15 minute was bearish here. Boom, boom. So wait a second. So this was the high, right? This one lower, this one bullish. Boom, boom, boom. After that, bearish. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to. Yeah, no. There was no way I would be in that trade yet. Yeah, no, there's no way. I always love to take a look at, all right, did I miss the entry or we're good? And if I missed it, where? So next time this same thing show up, I'm not gonna be missing it, right? So 4 hours looking massive. Yeah, so just gonna be waiting for the pullback. You see, we are at the high low potential here on H4. So this is what I didn't wait for on Euro USD. Okay. So let me recap this here. All right. So for you guys. So we got the weekly bullish. We came down in retest previous structure. We got the daily, which are bullish, nice bullish engulfing candle, rejecting weekly area of interest. We got the 4 hour flipping bullish after this cute double bottom-ish. Boom. And now we got the high low potential with a very good potential of engulfing candle here, which is going to be closing in 18 minutes. So now the thing I'm going to be missing is the lower time frame switch. So if you look on the 30 minute went bearish, to have the H4 pullback, which is totally normal, right? So we went bearish here and we flipped bullish here. Okay. So technically you can take the trade based off of this candle, which is not bad, but I like to wait for, the little pullback. I think it both ways. And just for fun, if you would have taken from this candle, oops, just for learning purposes for you guys. So here, let's say you take the trade here. The problem is now your stop is like way down here. Like you got a 42 pip stop loss. And 3, 2, 1, somewhere around here. Let's go take a look at the daily area. Yeah, I would target probably like this this high, which is the daily high here, right here. See? Oh, actually, it's lower. There we go. So that would be like a 2.5 to 1. So that's why if you wait for the little pullback, we might have some market structure happening, and boom, boom. And let's say you do this, you can place your stop under here, and write it up. So you got a smaller stop and a better RR. So, which I didn't do. If you look on Euro USD, this is where I fucked up. Where's Euro USD? Here, look at this. I got a 42 pip stop loss because I took it up here instead of taking it at the higher low potential. Let's see. We got the 30 minute now. 30 minute. Oh, the 15 minute. 15 minute just closed. 15 minute on Euro USD closed. Bearish. Here we got a nice bearish engulfing. Break retest. Boom. We got another bearish. Whoa, GJ. How you doing? Let's go back to GJ. You see? GJ pulling up into that golden zone. Awesome. Awesome. So now what's next? So now I'm going to be waiting. We need to respect this area first. This is for scalp, okay? Because if you look, the daily, remember guys, remember what we were talking about? This candle here can flip bullish, and until it didn't close under here, we're still bullish. You see? We're kind of close now. Look at this rejection. Look at those fucking wick rejection. Pooh. Gigi really want to go to the upside. So I don't know if I want to scalp short. It just like doesn't make sense. Just crazy. Let's see and wait how this H4 candle is going to be closing in 15 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, because right now you would need the lower time frame to switch bearish now to take it to the downside for scalp. Which now they are bullish. So the 30 minute is bullish, the 15 minute is bullish, the 5 minute is bullish. And the reason why is to have this pullback here, which is totally normal. Oh, how's Solana doing? Ooh, okay. Damn, I didn't realize that we went under 20. Okay. Okay. Yo, are we gonna fill this wick here? I still think that we need to go to $5 before pushing back up. It's like Bitcoin. I still think that we need to go to 12K. You see, Phil getting a tattoo of my name on his ass. This bet is ongoing from last year. So yeah. Yeah, I called that. I called Bitcoin uh when it was up here after this was in 2021. I said that Bitcoin was going back to 12K. And the reasoning behind this is, again, when you understand price structure and price action, realize that the the all-time high here was never retested. And most of the time, most of the time, when an all-time high is broken, will be retested. You know, and what we're doing now, or it was close. It was close. It was really close. It was pretty close. Yep. Well, let's go back to something interesting, which is GJ. Um, yep, this daily is rejecting hard. Look at this 4 hour candle pushing like there's no tomorrow. That's what I said, man. Anything can happen. I mean, not even the news. Look at this. Price is back up. USD GPY is leaving without me. Damn it. Okay, okay, okay. What time is it? 8:50. I'm gonna have to go soon, guys. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. What the fuck is going on here? Okay. We got 10 minutes before the close here. GJ about to close bullish on H4 right at this area. Interesting. Okay, so let's go back to this Doctail setup. If it does close above this area, I might be interested to take it to the upside. But if we respect this area, yeah, I'm just only going to be looking down here. But there's no point at this stage. I like when there's, let's say we're trending up. Um, I like this. I like this. Let's say we don't know what's happening here. Let's say we don't know those candles. Okay, I would wait for the bottom wick to form, and once we break the high here, this is where I'm gonna get in with a fixed 15 pip stop loss, and yeah, and it's gonna be a quick scalp. Usually this move is really quick. This one is only 10 pips, so this is not super good. But my stop would be at break even, around 10, 11 pips. Yeah, so those are quick scalp, but usually they play out pretty well. Perfect example, nice engulfing candle, wait for the wick down, break the high, and write it up. So yes, very simple, very, very simple. ABC. What about NASDAQ, Emmanuel? What about it? I'm joking. No, I don't trade NASDAQ, bro. Sorry. Yeah, NASDAQ is a little different. It's still price action at the end of the day. Um, but I never traded, never looked at it. Basically, I was looking at it when we had one of the student that was trading it a bit, but that's about it. It's still price action at the end of the day, right? Don't get me wrong. but the execution is a little bit different. So not interested. I mean, you gotta focus on you gotta focus on what you're good at, and I don't feel like I have time to learn a new thing right now. I'm been so busy with the business and different projects. So look at this. It's pushing like crazy. So our is Euro USD doing? I'm crossing my fingers for you, my friend. Who was that again? Ahab. Did I say that right? Ahab. Hopefully I said that right. Just hoping for you to for this to close above. There's like 5 minutes left. The problem with sometimes people trying to get like the best entry possible, which is they call the sniper entry, which is like I said earlier, it's kind of cute to show on socials, but when you do this, it's like if you're looking to get the home run every time, okay? And the reality is, you don't need to do a home run every day. You need to make sure you place the ball in a safe place and you run to the base, and that's it, just hit some sure shot, At the end of the day, if you accumulate all those, it's going to be better than your 5 home run during the month or year or whatever, the time you're trading. So that's, for all the one you're going to be missing because you're trying to get the perfect entry. Yeah, it's not going to be worth it. Yeah. So that's just my 2 cents. Hopefully it makes sense. Okay, we got 4 minutes. Let's go, baby. 4 minutes. Yo, this is very good. I might man, I like USD right now. The thing is, if I take it based out of the H4, because it's doable to do, but it's just a big stop. The reason why I'm taking it based out of the lower time frames to have a smaller stop, that would be like a 64 pip stop loss. Yeah, no, I don't like it. That doesn't make sense. You know what would be perfect is this 2 hour candle closing above here, let's say engulfing here. That would be doable. That would be like, let's say you take it from here, place stop under. Oh, it's still a 50 pip stop loss. Jeez. Fuck. Damn. Damn, son. All right. Gotta wait. Gotta wait for the pullback. Whew. Well, what's going on here? Okay, okay. GJ, 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 GJ. Come on, GJ. Closing in 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 4 hour candle. Let's see. I'm going to keep an eye on Euro USD for our friend. Man. Are you still there, bud? Ahab. Ahab. Hopefully, I said that right. Hopefully. see here. Hey Paul, all the kitchen and renovation completed, Sasha? Yes and no. We're still waiting for our wardrobe. Wardrobe. Do you say wardrobe? Yeah, wardrobe door in the entrance. Yeah. Still waiting for that. The rest is pretty done in the kitchen. Now it's up to the next project. So want to repaint the brick, the outside brick, because right now it's like kind of brownish. Um, doesn't look nice. So I don't know. Might change that. So that's gonna be the next project. Or the pool. I don't know if you saw the pool, but it's a pretty big pool. And there's there's some, how you call that? The it said en anglais. What the fuck? It said en anglais. Hold on, wait a second. I'm looking for a word here. Et de said en anglais. It said cedar edge. Okay, so pretty big cedar hedge on the side of the pool. Which every time I go put the chlor in the pool, I scratch my back. So I want to remove that and put a nice fence. So we'll see. I'm waiting for some coats for the fence. Right now we're looking at like probably like $30,000 for just for the fence for one side, which is kind of crazy. Because I didn't want to put like a cheap fence. I want to put a nice one, but we'll see. That I want to redo the deck. So yeah, that's gonna be the next project there and there. Plus, I'm trying to buy two houses in Mexico right now, so pretty busy. Um, all right, so here we got the close for the 4 hour candle, bullish, smaller body candle than the previous one. We are right inside the H4 golden zone to go to the downside, but again, that's for scalp because I mean the higher time frame are bullish, right? So you got to be careful. Look at this. Look at this daily. Look at this daily. Look at this daily. Woohoo! We're going back above. So yeah, I don't know. It's kind of sketchy here. But yeah, so here the problem is if you wait for the dogtail setup on this one, and let's say you break the high, the problem is you're right at that zone right here. So I don't know. Personally, gonna be staying away from this one, and we shall see if we can get let's say the 15 minute. So for me to take a short, the 15 minute would have to go bearish. The 15 or the 30 minute, because that one will be for a scalp. So we need that to break here. So let's take a look at USD GPY. USD GPY closed nicely. So now maybe the wick down for the H4 will be our pullback on the 30 minute or 1 hour. That would be beautiful. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be waiting for. Basically this. Okay, so that would be beautiful. So I'm going to definitely keep an active eye on USD GPY. And what about our friend with Euro USD? Yo, that's no good. So I don't know where was your stop. Yeah. So guys, you got to be careful, man. Selling when all the time frame are, you know, it was all bullish mostly, now they just flip all bearish. Oh no, he actually, sorry, he bought. Yeah, sorry, you bought, and most of the time frame were bearish now. So 5 minute was bearish, 15 minute was bearish, 30 minute was bearish, 1 hour was bearish, 2 hour is now bearish, 4 hour is now bearish, daily is still bullish though because we didn't close yet. So yeah, man. But anyways, It is what it is. GJ and use the GPY. So we can keep an eye on those. Any question, guys? Oh, that was fun. That was fun. So next time I go live, it's gonna be on Thursday night. Yes, because I did switch Forex Talk over beer on Thursday night because Friday I had some pickleball, but I might have to switch it back to Friday. I don't know yet. But this week's gonna be on Thursday. Yeah, because last week we didn't have any because I was gone camping. So yeah, so Thursday night Forex Talk over beer. We're gonna break down some charts, see some winners, losers, whatever, and make sure to comment and have a chance to win this magic key. And come back on Thursday night to have an extra chance to win this magic key. So you just need to be there, comment in the chat. Even if you watch the replay, go comment in the chat. All the previous one until Stefanos. You'll see, I think there was 2 weeks ago, we did one with Stefanos. If you go comment there, you're going to have an extra chance and all the one after, okay? So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. And I'll see you on Thursday night. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day. Take care.